Hey y'all, this is my toy collection. I got these big toys now. Today I got HM Armed Forces the jet, the V.T.O.L arm attack jet. Yes, y'all. Let's get camera number 2 on this. Hi guys. Today I got HM Armed Forces jet to go to my HM Armed Forces G.I. Joe collection. Yes, y'all. Let's crack that open. Yes, y'all. Let's see what that looks like. Well, first we'll take out camera 3. Got camera 3 on also. When we do unboxings, gotta have 3 cameras. Hi Tiger, my Tiger. Gonna open up a package. HM Armed Forces. Lieutenant scale G.I. Joe. Yes, y'all. Got the tank. Got the helicopter. Now we got the jet today. So let's go ahead and open that up. See how dope that is. Yes, y'all. Tiger. My partner in crime, Tiger Leon. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Oops. Breaking my toys. Got the screw the one right. Yes, y'all. Don't want to break that plastic. And let's open this up. Strange packaging. Yes, y'all. Get my jet out. Strange packaging. Thanks for my seat tag. Thanks for my seat. Strange packaging. Yes, y'all. Give me my jet. Strange packaging. Getting stuff from Britain is like weird. Get me my jet. Ooh. And you get the fuselage, the cockpit. Awesome. Does that feel a little bit sticky? Maybe a little sticky, I don't know. Tiger lead. We got the tail of the plane. Little sticky, little bent. Tiger lead. My toy, Tiger. My toy. Nice big wings. Nice, got 2 big wings. for the box. Yes, y'all. So, this is HM Armed Forces, the jet. Let's go ahead and assemble that. Got it. Looks smaller than in pictures. I was expecting it to be gigantic. Value. Get the wing on there. Seller had a used, like a beat up one. I'm happy with this. This looks a little clean. And I got myself a jet. HM Armed Forces jet. And one of the wheels is broken. That's okay. The other side is okay. Coming on. So, yeah. And we got HM Armed Forces jet. Yes, y'all. Let's open up the cockpit. Let's see how it looks with the HM Armed Forces pilot. Oops. Tiger lead. It's not as impressive as I thought it would be, but it's pretty good. Yes, y'all. Yeah, so that's what the pilot looks like in there. Nice big jet, helicopter, tank. Yes, y'all. Oh man, this came off. The canopy came off. Cockpit canopy. Anyway, who retired this guy? I never intended to use the 10-inch scale soldier guy. Yes, y'all. But yeah. Oops. That's like, it's like that broken or what? Anyway, yeah. Not that impressive, but yeah, I'm glad I didn't buy the battle damage one. So I got these big vehicles. Yes, y'all. Got the turtle van. Got my jet. Got my helicopter. Yes, y'all. Let's see how that looks with the G.I. Joe classifieds. Yes, y'all. Let's take Flint and this cockpit flies off too easily. Yeah, maybe that's broken. Got Flint and breaker in the cockpit. Yes, y'all. That's what I wanted for. Now my G.I. Joes have a jet. Yes, y'all. put beachhead in the tank. Duke. Let's put some girls in there with the Lady J. Yes, yes, yo. Like Scarlet with Duke in the top of the tank. And let's put Gung Ho and Snake Eyes in the helicopter. Yes, yes, yo. And we got our G.I. Joe vehicles and everything and all. Hi, Tiger. That jet is not as impressive as I thought it would be, but it is pretty good. Nice big scale. Now my G.I. Joes have vehicles, because I couldn't wait for Hasbro. Yes, yes, yes. Got the Ninja Turtles in there. Yes, yes, yo. Yes, yes, yo. Yes, yes, yo. That is what we got. Let's put some batteries in the turtle van while we're playing around. AAA batteries. This is your toys on a big scale. Turtle van seatbelts, batteries. Need a screwdriver for that. 1 second. And we pop that off nice and easily. Yes, yes, y'all. Gonna put the AAA batteries in there. And it works. And we'll screw that back in, seal that off. A little rainy, cloudy day so far. Got some nice headlights. Yes, yes, y'all. Got some nice headlights. Yes, yes, y'all. So that is my HMR Forces G.I. Joe collection. Tiger is playing with the screwdriver. Tiger Lee, Tiger Lee. Yes, yes, y'all. Hi, Tiger. So we got G.I. Joe. Yes, yes, y'all. Got the G.I. Joe stickers on it. Tiger Force stickers on. See, I got G.I. Joe, Snake Eyes. Snake Eyes crammed in there. Yes, yes, y'all. Got the Ninja Turtles all stored in here. Yes, yes, y'all. Disconnected. There we go. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. While we're at it, let's add some stickers. Stickers to the HMR Forces jet. Put the stars on the wings. Make it an American jet. Add the star. Add the star to the jet. Yes, yes, y'all. Now it's G.I. Joe. Now it's American. Want to stick the G.I. Joe logo on there. Decide where to put that. Then we'll stick G.I. Joe over here. G.I. Joe logo. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's put the tiger teeth on there. These are really old stickers. Surprised if they work. Yeah. Oops, I'm ripping it. The tiger teeth, old stickers that I ripped. Let's go ahead and stick that on the jet. And that's a messy one, but that's how I applied it. The tiger teeth. I can't get the eyes on it. Eyes with the teeth. And the plane has a face. It's old stickers from 1988. This is from the vintage Tiger Cat. Yes, yes, y'all. The eye stickers. Tiger Lee, Tiger Lee. Nice, and it looks like a shark now. Got eyes on it. That is pretty sweet. Didn't have this as a kid, this makes up for it now. Look, it's from 1988. 1988 Hasbro. 1988 Hasbro. And we got Tiger Force stickers. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's go ahead and take the Tiger Force stickers off. This has not been peeled since 1988 for the Tiger Cat. And my last, oh, I got one more. That's my Tiger Force stickers. Stick Tiger Force all up here. That works perfectly. A little too perfect. Yes, yes, y'all. Hi, y'all. These are my big toys. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Got the camera on my big toys. Yes, yes, y'all. Got me the V.T.O.L harrier jet from HMR Armed Forces. Yes, yes, y'all. Look at my harrier jet. I put G.I. Joe stickers on it. Yes, yes, y'all. Tiger Force. Put the U.S. flag on it. Yes, yes, y'all. Got the G.I. Joe characters in there. Flint and Breaker. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Got my G.I. Joe. Can't wait for the Hasbro version. Yes, yes, y'all. Got me the big tank. Got me the turtle van. Big, big. Yes, yes, y'all. Got the helicopter. Oh, yeah. Terrifying. Yes, yes, y'all. G.I. Joe, Tiger Force. Yes, yes, y'all. We're doing it real big. Yes, yes, y'all. Even got the turtle blimp in the mix. Got all these big toys now. Didn't have these as a kid, got them now. This old used stuff. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Show off my Ninja van, Ninja Turtles van. Got all the characters inside. 7-inch turtles in there. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. So thanks for tuning in. This is one collection. Yes, yes, y'all. Big scale. And it's time for my coffee. Heading off to McDonald's now. Let's take a look at those Joes up close. Got the stickers on there. Two pilots in there. Got Beachhead, Lady J, Duke, Scarlet. Got Gung Ho and Snake Eyes in here. Yes, yes, y'all. Got the stickers on. Okay, y'all. That's all I'm gonna spend on that. Now it's time for my coffee break. Yes, yes, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Yes, yes, y'all. Got my big collection, toy collection. Yes, yes, y'all. Gonna put my HMR Forces on the shelf. Let's see how that looks. Take out my art pillows. One there. Put that there. Let's get this Harrier jet. Let's put it on the shelf. See how that looks. Perfect. Let's get the helicopter on the second shelf. Get the helicopter. Snake Eyes there in the back. We'll close that up. Put some Cobra on the side. And we're going to bring the tank around. Cobra Commander, Destro, Firefly. Let's get the tank out. Yes, yes, y'all. And now I got myself a G.I. Joe shelf. HMR Forces, the latest. Yes, yes, y'all. By air and by land. Yes, yes, y'all. G.I. Joe, my new tank. Helicopter. Three HMR Forces vehicles. I like how that looks. Yes, yes, y'all. Showing off tank, helicopter, V.T.O.L jet. Yes, yes, y'all. Successful. Yes, yes, y'all. And I'll get the turtle band. Yes, y'all. Got me Fans Toys Hannibal. Let's go ahead and open that. Enters the toy collection. Really waiting for this for like a long time, since like last summer. And finally the day has come. Yes, y'all. Ooh, packaging slip. TF Source where I bought it. Yes, y'all. And this is the Fans Toys Hannibal. Yes, y'all. Can't wait for the whole body, the whole Fans Toys. That's gonna be my best friend. My new Ford Max robot will be my best friend when and if that's possible. But look at all these big toys I got. It looks like it's possible. Yes, y'all. As you know, if you've been watching my videos, I've been collecting Fans Toys during the whole pandemic. Yes, y'all. Ooh, this is the additional hand. That's a big hand. Yes, y'all. Didn't come in the package. That's the sword hand. Yes, y'all. Beautiful Fans Toys. Yes, y'all. Cowabunga dude. Yes, y'all. This is my Fans Toys. Hannibal. Cerebrus. Without further ado, let's get that open. Yes, y'all. Unsealing, unboxing. Yes, y'all. May is a real lucky month for me. Loving my toy collection this month. All big stuff. And sealed. That's a nice sealed, Fans Toys sealed package. Didn't have to wait too long since that was announced. Has come soon. Nice, beautiful artwork. Let's go ahead and unseal that. You can just take off the sticker. Yes, y'all. Let's get to opening Fort Max head. Yes, y'all. And the box. Love the box. This is a big box. It's just a little figure, but a big box. I've seen all the YouTube reviews, so I should know how to do this. Yes, y'all. We're going to cut open, unseal this. Yes, y'all. Love my Fans Toys journey. I'm a big fan of Fans Toys. Yes, y'all. Unseal this. Love to unseal, unbox these toys. Yes, y'all. And let's check out my toy. Yes! That's big, bigger than I expected. Yes, y'all. Got my Fans Toys Cerebros, Fort Max head, Fans Toys Hannibal. Yes, y'all. That's a good Fans Toys quality. Check out the heel spray. Beautiful. I like this so far. I'm very pleased with this. This was worth the money, worth the wait. This is a good product. Yes, y'all. Oops. And got the Cerebros head. Spike, got the head, got the body. Yes, y'all. And heard stories about the spring in this. There we go. Ooh, my spring is good. My spring is not bad. Nice, not too heavy. Fans Toys style, but not too heavy. Nice and tall. Awesome. Ooh, beautiful cherry red sword here. Yes, y'all. See if I can do like the YouTube people did. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. That is the sword. See where that tabs on. Yes, y'all. Make the sword larger. Beautiful. Very pleased with this. This is something I really like. I'm really happy I spent the money on this. Screaming head, screaming face, and big screaming face like that. Maybe I'll try that out. Big screaming face. Yes, y'all. Take out his gun. See how that looks. Yes, y'all. Beautiful. I got me a beautiful Fans Toys here. Yes, y'all. And see what else we got in the box. We got its head pieces here, alternate sculpt. Yes, yes, y'all. Maybe we'll try that out. Alternate wings on the head, on his crown. But the one that it comes with should be good enough. Yes, yes, y'all. And that's it for the packaging. That's what we get. Display stand. Yes, yes, y'all. Dream come true. This month is so awesome, as you've seen in the videos. And we'll put the packaging back where it came from for storage. I like to save my Fans Toys boxes. They're special to me. Fans Toys is special to me. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's check out that screaming head. Beautiful. Nice to see it in hand. Screaming head, face mask. Yes, yes, y'all. Nice, lighter than most of their figures. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's see how this looks in the collection. This is my Fans Toys collection. That's how it looks with the other figures. Yes, yes, y'all. And awesome. It's a good size. It's bigger than I expected. Love it. Stands out in the collection. Lighter than they went smart. They made it lighter. Yes, yes, y'all. This is my Fans Toys. Yes, yes, y'all. Perceptor, Soundwave, all my favorites. Yes, yes, y'all. Okay, y'all. Now I'm gonna go transform it. See if I absorbed how to do it from my from the YouTube videos. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. This is it up close. All the Fans Toys. Awesome. I'm gonna transform it now. It's pretty sweet. I can't believe it's lighter. It looks like Fans Toys, but it's lighter than their usual. Let's go ahead and see if I can transform this.